here is the situation for question 6. We have an apartment building and it has 12 units and it's either a 1-bedroom or a 2-bedroom apartment. We can rent it out, right? It's either 360 or 450 per month. And the word it says respectively, this means the one-bedroom apartment will be for rent $360 and the 2-bedroom apartment will be for rent $450 per month. Okay, and then it says that if all the 12 units are rented, the total monthly rental was $4,950. We are trying to find out what's the number of the 2-bedroom apartments that we have in the building. Okay, so this is how we're going to do it. We're going to set up two equations with two unknowns because of two things. So imagine that this is my door and this is the 1-bedroom apartment. Okay, and then I have another door, that's the 2-bedroom. We don't know how many of the 1-bedroom that we have. We also don't know how many of the 2-bedrooms that we have. So I can assign a variable to these apartments. I can call this X many apartments that has 1-bedrooms. And then I can say this is Y many apartments that has 2-bedrooms. Altogether, this building contains 12 units. So in another word, X plus Y has to be equal to 12. Okay? And then we're going to look for the rental, how much you can rent it out. For the 1-bedroom, it's $360. So this 1-bedroom costs us it costs them $360. And then for the 2-bedroom is $450. Okay, so we have X many. Just think about if I have two of the 1-bedroom, then I can just do 360 times 2, which is 720, and that will be how much money we can get by just renting out the 1-bedroom apartment. But I don't know how many of the 1-bedroom apartment I have. I just have an X. But as I said, I just need to multiply 360 with the X. Then that will be how much money that we can get from the 1-bedroom apartment. So 360x. And then similarly, we can just do 450 times Y plus 450 times Y. That's equal to the total rental, right? So the amount of money that we can get from this apartment for all the apartments is 4,950. So this is the equation that we are going to work with, and we are trying to look for Y because the question is asking us what is the number of the 2-bedroom apartments. We want to figure out Y is equal to what. So that's our goal, right? Because Y represents the 2-bedroom apartments. We are going to do this question in two ways, and let me just show you guys the first way. The first way, I'm going to do it by substitution. So by substitution. So what do I mean by that is, take a look of these variables, and then we want to isolate one of the variables, and we can pick any one. Of course, we want to work with the easiest first. So let me take a look of the first equation. X plus Y is equal to 12. Right? So since there are just X and Y's, there's no number in front of it. Technically, there's like 1 in front of the X and 1 in front of the Y. But what I want to do is, I want to isolate the X. So let me do that. Let me do that by subtract Y on both sides. So I can get X is equal to 12 minus Y. So that's my new equation. I have the X by itself, right? And then what we can do is, we can plug this, I can say, plug this into the second equation that we have. So into 360x plus 450y is equal to 4950. So I want to take this 12 minus y. I want to take this and then plug it into this x. Why do we do that? Let's take a look. I have 360, the x becomes 12 minus y. And then I have the plus 450y, that's equal to 4950. As we can see, now we have an equation that is just working with y's. Right? If you just work with this equation, we just have y's. You just have one y, right? One variable. In compared to have x and y, which is not possible to solve x and y at the same time, right? So we can just solve for y right here, and that's exactly what we're trying to do. Okay, so the usual business: take the 360, distribute inside. So 360 times 12, you can just work this out. 360 times 12, and you get 2 times this is 0, 2 times that, 7, it's 2. And then have the 1 to carry over, and then it's a 720. And then 1 times this is 0, and it's 36. Just do the work, pretty much. 0, 2, 3, 4. So distribute, you get 4320. Minus 360y plus 450y equals to 4950. On the left hand side, we can combine like terms. Negative 360y plus 450y is 90y, but we still have the 4320. The 90y was positive, so that's a plus, equals to 4950. Isolate the y. I can do that by subtract 4320 on both sides. 320. So they cancel, and I get 90y equals to the 0, and I have a 630. To solve for y, I can divide both sides by 90. And these two 90s will cancel out. I will have a y is equal to 630 divided by 90. It's equal to 7. So in another word, we have 7 of the 2-bedroom apartments. So the answer is 7. And that's choice E. That's choice E. And in the next video, I will show you the elimination method to solve this system of equation.